Everyone's talking about AI this Halloween, but do you know which tools can turn your spooky idea into a viral video? Let's find out!
Number 1. Canva AI Video Generator. A tool from Canva that lets you turn text prompts into video clips with audio, motion, templates. Why it's good for Halloween videos? You can type a prompt like haunted house, flickering candlelight, ghost silhouette, and generate a short clip. Easily add Halloween graphics, stickers, overlays like pumpkins, bats, and fog. Tips for social media or shorts format. Use a strong prompt with dark, spooky, nighttime, fog, creepy camera pan to get the right mood. Then adjust music or sound effects in Canva.
Number 2. InVideo AI. A video creation platform that uses AI to generate scripts, scenes, visuals, and voiceovers from text prompts. Why it works for a Halloween short? You don't need to shoot entire footage. Input 10-second Halloween prank at midnight and get visual assets. Built-in stock assets plus voiceover, which helps if you want a narration like, "At midnight, the lights went out."
Number 3. Adobe Firefly AI Video Generator. From Adobe, an AI tool that generates video from text or image prompts, including cinematic 2D, 3D motion. Why great for Halloween theme? You could upload a still image, for example, a dark forest, and animate it into a moving scene with fog, camera pan, and shadows. It is good if you want a more polished spooky effect, not just simple cut and paste. Tips for social media or YouTube shorts? Use a prompt like nighttime abandoned house, moonlight through broken windows, silent footsteps, and set the mood to cinematic horror. Then overlay text or voice for a short.
Number 4. VEED AI Video Generator. An online editor which includes AI video generation, text to video, plus editing, captions, voiceovers. Why useful for YouTube Shorts on Halloween? After generating the video, you can easily edit for the short format. Vertical, 9:16, add spooky captions, voices. It is great for quick turnaround when you want to post fast. Important tips. Use the built-in editing to add glitch effects, flicker, ghost transitions to enhance the Halloween vibe.
Number 5. Synthesia. AI platform specializing in avatar-led videos from text. You pick a virtual presenter who speaks the script you type. Why it can be fun for Halloween? You can have a virtual presenter, ghostly avatar or costumed character, narrate a spooky story. It adds a personal touch over just visuals. Important tip. Script something like, "I'm the ghost of October past. Here's what happens at midnight." And choose a dark theme background. Keep it short, around 30 to 40 seconds for a short. So there you have it. 5 powerful AI tools to make your Halloween videos come alive. Try them out and create your own spooky magic this season. Now it's your turn. Which AI tool are you using for Halloween videos? Comment below. If you want to master AI tools beyond Halloween, hit subscribe. New tutorials drop every week.